It's late. Very late. I try every day. But my English? Still bad. People talk fast. I don't understand. So I say, I don't know. Every time. Maybe I should stop. Hey. Alex?
Alice? Why do you want to stop?
Because I don't know anything.
No, you know something. Today, I will show you something simple.
What?
You will stop saying, I don't know.
Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
Speak English with confidence. One story at a time.
First, tell me, did you eat?
Maybe?
Maybe. That is not good.
I ate noodles again.
Again? Everyday noodles?
Yes, cheap and easy.
Your English is like noodles.
What? Why?
Simple, but not strong.
Hey, that is not nice.
Okay, small joke.
You are funny today.
I try like you try English.
I try, but I feel tired.
That is normal.
Really?
Yes, learning is not easy.
Good. I feel better now.
Good. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, please help us grow.
Okay, Alex, ready?
Ready, I think.
Today, we stop one bad habit.
Which one?
I don't know.
My favorite sentence.
Yes, and your biggest problem. Okay, Alex, let's practice more.
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure.
Good, that's better already.
Ah, I see. No more I don't know.
Yes, we change your habit. Alex, listen carefully.
Okay.
When you say, I don't know, what happens?
Conversation stops.
Exactly.
No more talking.
Yes, no practice.
Oh, that is bad.
Very bad for learning. Let's try. Alex, what is your favorite food?
I don't know.
Stop.
Sorry.
Try again.
Let me think.
Good. Go on.
I like rice and chicken.
Perfect.
That feels easy.
Yes, you just need time.
Alice, sometimes my mind is empty.
That is okay.
I feel pressure.
Yes, pressure is normal.
People look at me.
Yes,
I feel shy.
I understand. But listen, you don't need perfect words.
Really?
Yes, just small words.
Small words.
Simple words.
Simple words.
Clear words.
Clear words.
That is enough. Let's practice again.
Okay.
What do you do in the morning?
Let me think.
Take your time.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Very good.
Oh, I can say many things.
Yes, you can. How do you feel today? Don't say, I don't know.
Okay. I feel tired, but okay.
Nice.
That is easy.
Yes, feelings are simple. What do you do at work?
Give me a second.
Good phrase.
I help customers. I talk to people. I sell things.
Excellent.
Wow, I talk more now.
Yes, you're improving. Now repeat after me.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Again.
I'm not sure.
Let me think.
Let me think.
Again.
Let me think.
I can try.
I can try.
Again.
I can try.
Good. Again. Faster.
I'm not sure. Let me think. I can try.
Perfect. Alex, yesterday, what happened?
Let me think.
Good start.
I go to shop.
Okay.
The man asked me,
What did he ask?
he say, what do you want?
And you said?
I said, I don't know.
Ah.
Yes, bad habit.
What can you say next time?
Let me think.
Yes.
I can say, I want water.
Perfect.
Or, I'm looking.
Very good.
Oh, I feel more confident now.
Now, let's make longer sentences.
Okay.
Let me think. I like simple food.
Let me think. I like simple food.
Again.
Let me think. I like simple food.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
Again.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
Good, you see?
Yes, I can talk more now.
Exactly.
Alice, what if people laugh?
Let me think.
You too?
Yes, I use the phrase too.
Nice.
Listen, some people may laugh,
Yes.
but many people will help.
Really?
Yes, people like effort.
Effort.
Trying is good.
Trying is good.
Say it.
Trying is good.
Again.
Trying is good.
Alex, answer this. Can you speak English?
I'm not sure,
Go on.
but I can try.
Yes.
I can try.
Again.
I can try.
Stronger.
I can try.
Again.
I can try.
Quick questions.
Okay.
What do you eat? Let me think.
Rice.
Where do you go?
I'm not sure. Maybe home.
Do you like English?
Yes, I can try.
Are you tired?
Yes, but I will try.
Perfect. Alex, what did you learn today?
Let me think.
Take your time.
Don't say, I don't know.
Yes.
Say, I'm not sure.
Good.
Say, let me think.
Yes.
Say, I can try.
Perfect.
I feel different now.
Why?
Before, I stop.
And now?
Now, I continue.
That is the key.
I don't know is not the end. I can try is the beginning.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Again.
I'm not sure.
Let me think.
Let me think.
Again.
Let me think.
I can try.
I can try.
Again.
I can try.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment.
Again.
Wait a moment.
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
Again.
Give me a second.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
Again.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
Let me think. I can do it.
Let me think. I can do it.
Again.
Let me think. I can do it.
I understand a little.
I understand a little.
Again.
I understand a little.
I will learn more.
I will learn more.
Again.
I will learn more.
I will try my best.
I will try my best.
Again.
I will try my best.
Can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
Again.
Can you repeat?
I don't understand everything.
I don't understand everything.
Again.
I don't understand everything.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Again.
Please speak slowly.
I need time to think.
I need time to think.
Again.
I need time to think.
I'm learning step by step.
I'm learning step by step.
Again.
I'm learning step by step.
I'm improving every day.
I'm improving every day.
Again.
I'm improving every day.
Alex, what do you do in the morning?
Let me think. I wake up.
Good. What next?
I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Very good.
I feel a little tired,
That is okay.
but I can try.
Good. How do you feel today?
Let me think. I feel tired, but okay.
Nice.
I feel better now.
Good. What do you do at work?
Give me a second. I help people.
Good. Continue.
I talk to customers. I sell things.
Excellent.
I feel more confident.
Yes, you are improving. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Let me think.
Let me think.
I can try.
I can try.
I will try my best.
I will try my best.
I understand a little.
I understand a little.
I need time to think.
I need time to think.
Let me think. I like simple food.
Let me think. I like simple food.
Again.
Let me think. I like simple food.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
Again.
I'm not sure, but I will try.
Alex, can you speak English?
I'm not sure,
Go on.
but I can try.
Good.
I can try.
Again.
I can try.
Again.
I can try. Before, I say I don't know. Now, I say I will try.
And that changes everything.
My English is not perfect.
It doesn't need to be.
I just need to speak.
Yes, just speak. Small words, big progress.
Small steps every day.
And never give up. You can do this.
Yes, you can.
Like and subscribe to Learn English with Alex and Alice.